Frequency trees shouldn't be confused with tree diagrams. Tree diagrams are used and labelled with probabilities. Frequency diagrams or frequency trees are just a way of presenting data, a bit like the two-way table you can see above. So I'm going to show you how to transfer the information from this two-way table into this diagram. So it kind of works from the top down. So overall there were 90 people. So that's where we start. And then we break this down. So we've got men and women. So how many men were there altogether? There were 43. And there were 47 women. And then we're going to use the other categories here. So this would be the 20 to 30, 31 to 60, and 60 plus. And that would obviously be the same down here as well. And so we just fill in the numbers. So men 20 to 30 was 4, 27 for 31 to 60, and 12 over. And then for the women it's 8, 32 and 7. So as you can see, it's just another way of taking information and organising it. So if you do get a question on frequency trees, you might be asked to just do as I've done and start from scratch. Probably won't be given to you in a table and quite so organised as that. It might be more wordy. But the other thing that they might ask you to do is to complete a frequency tree. So we've got to understand how it works so that we can complete it. So if we take this one here first of all, so circles and squares have got to add up to the 6 here. So because we've already got 4 circles, this must be 2 squares. Now in a similar fashion, if we go down here, we can see we've got 6 circles and 2 squares. So that means that that must have been 8. Now, we can't fill this one in yet because we don't know what that number is, but we can work that number out. So there were 24 in total. We've got 6 red and 8 green, so that's 14. So that means there must have been 10 blue. And now we know that there are 10 blue and 3 of them are squares, then 7 of them must be circles.